Hi, welcome to automation testing.in. In this video, we will see Python data types string part 6. So before this, we have 5 parts. So please go through those videos if you want to know about string in more detail. Okay, string data type. So in this, formatting the strings. The format method formats the specified values and insert them inside the strings placeholder. Okay. The format method formats the specified values and insert them inside the strings placeholder. What is the placeholder? We will see. The placeholder is defined using curly bracket, that is this curly bracket in string. Okay. The format method will return the formatted string in a meaningful format. So the placeholders can be identified by named indexes, means in the curly braces some name, numbered indexes, or even empty. Okay, so the placeholders will be any one of these things. So we'll see by taking some simple example. Let's go to notepad plus plus. So we have seen that string data type 1 2 3 4 5, right? So in the previous videos. So now I'll take new file. I'll save it as string data type 6. See, so default arguments. Okay, we have three things. First is default arguments. We'll see s is equals to I work in one placeholder I'm giving with the emp id, this one. Okay, so I work in with the emp id something. Okay, so means what, there is something is missing that I need to replace with the values. Okay, so print s dot format, right, s dot format, and the first value will be filled with what I'll say, something like what is, I'll say Google. Okay, comma 505, something like that I have given. What happens then? So this value will be replaced in the first value and the second value will be replaced in the second value. So it means default, and it will follow the order. So I need here string, I need here digit. Okay, so when I run this, so sixth one, you see that I work in Google with the emp id 505. So it is replacing these placeholders. It is expecting some value here. Okay, so using format method, if you give like this, you will fill these values. So this is default arguments. And the second one is positional arguments. Okay, positional arguments. So what I'll do here, same thing, I'll provide here 0 and here 1, and the same way I'll format this string like this, and this time I'll say I am working in Apple with 555 emp id. Nothing difference, nothing difference, but you see, so I work in Apple with the emp id 555. Now what I'll do, I'll change here 1 and I'll change here 0. Okay, we'll see what happens. I work in 555 with the emp id Apple, means this is 0th position, this is first position, So from this, which value you want to replace here? Got it right? Now what I can do, if I want to do the same thing properly, I'll put triple five here, comma apple. Okay. So now if I run this one, now it will print properly. I work in Apple with the EMP triple five, but here I am giving first. This first means it will replace this one. Zero means it will replace it this one. So that positional argument that we need to remember. Okay. So the keyword arguments. Keyword arguments. So I'll take the same thing again. Okay. Here I'll put A. Here I'll put B. Okay. So print s dot format. Inside this, I'll mention B is equals to triple one, comma A is equals to, I say I work in Facebook, something like that. Okay. So when I run this now, you see that I work in Facebook with the EMP ID triple one. Means I'm giving some names here, keywords. So for that value, you can replace here the format method. Okay. So this is how you can use default arguments. Means no need to mention, as it is the flow how it is, it will take. Positional means you can give 1 0 and according to this one it will replace. Here you can mention that explicitly. In this location I want this one, in this location I want this one with using this keyword. Okay. That's how you can format your string in a proper way. Okay. This is one of the useful methods in string. Very frequently you need this when you're writing any programming. Okay. So that's all about this format method. So default arguments, positional arguments, keyword arguments. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for further interesting updates.